Hi there, welcome to my channel. I thought it's time to do a last visit on the Getuen Bird Sanctuary. So let's go. So it's the middle of September and it's rapidly getting colder and darker here. So I think this is the last real photo visit to Getuen this year. And we'll see what happens, but anyway I will add some scenes from previous visits that you haven't seen yet. So I hope you have enjoyed this video from Getuen here in the west coast of Sweden. I think it's my last visit for this autumn or winter, and yeah, other things are planned. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you doing that, and even more if you give it a thumbs up or write a comment, and of course subscribe. I'll be more than happy. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.